Do you always say very good, very happy, very tired, or very small? If yes, then this video is for you. Today, I'll teach you 10 powerful English words that will make your English sound more natural and confident. So, let's get started. Don't say very good. Say excellent. Excellent means very good. Repeat after me. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now say, your English is excellent. Word 2. Don't say very good. Say outstanding. Outstanding means extremely good. Repeat after me. Outstanding, outstanding. Now say, she did an outstanding job. Word 3. Don't say very happy. Say delighted. Delighted means very happy. Repeat after me. Delighted, delighted. Now say, I'm delighted to see you. Word 4. Don't say very tired. Say exhausted. Exhausted means very tired. Repeat after me. Exhausted, exhausted. Now say, I'm exhausted after work. Word 5. Don't say very angry. Say furious. Furious means very angry. Repeat after me. Furious, furious. Now say, my father was furious. Word 6. Don't say very scared. Say terrified. Terrified means very scared. Repeat after me. Terrified, terrified. Now say, the child was terrified. Word 7. Don't say very beautiful. Say gorgeous. Gorgeous means very beautiful. Repeat after me. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now say, she looks gorgeous today. Word 8. Don't say very smart. Say brilliant. Brilliant means very smart. Repeat after me. Brilliant, brilliant. Now say, that's a brilliant idea. Word 9. Don't say very interesting. Say fascinating. Fascinating means very interesting. Repeat after me. Fascinating, fascinating. Now say, this book is fascinating. Word 10. Don't say very small. Say tiny. Tiny means very small. Repeat after me. Tiny, tiny. Now let's remember these words with a short story. One day, Sarah had an English-speaking competition. At first, she was terrified because many students were there. But she stayed confident. She gave an outstanding speech. The judges said, "Excellent job." Everyone was delighted. Her teacher said, "You did a brilliant job today." Sarah smiled and said, "Thank you. I'm no longer afraid of speaking English." See, when you learn words in a story, you remember them much longer. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence in the comments using the word brilliant or outstanding. I'll read your comments and correct them if needed. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Stories. Happy learning!